Johnny has a condition. Many young black children have this condition. It's called ADHD. And Miss Blackfield says, really? Oh, it's not your fault, Miss Blackfield. Many young black, we don't know what causes this. Basically, has Johnny ever demonstrated any type of behavior that says he can't listen when you're calling him or you want him to do something, he won't do it? Or he's just running around and he can't stop running around and doing it? And Miss Blackfield says, yes. Just last night, Johnny was playing football. And I said, Johnny, it's time to come in for dinner. And do you know, he didn't even look at me. Miss Bernstein, oh my God, I knew it. He has ADHD, the typical signs. Now I want to tell you why this is so near and dear to me. You know, when I was coming up, I had ADHD too. And my mother, it was amazing, she had this cure for it. It's called BELT. It's called discipline. Little Ayo come in, it's time to lead the football. If I come in when she say come in, I get to eat. If I come in after she tell me to come in, I get beat, then I get to eat. And the amazing thing about the BELT, it had an amazing impact on my behavior. For the next 2 weeks, I was the best behaved young guy anybody ever met. They was like, what are you doing with this young boy? My mom just said, oh, he's a good little guy. Yeah, that belt helps. Let me tell you something. It is amazing. How many people here have ever been to a movie before where you fell asleep? How many people here have ever, like you sitting here with me, now you better not be falling asleep on me. But how many people have ever seen a speaker who you were watching and he kind of bored you, you fell asleep? Okay, everybody in the room has ADHD there. It's a ridiculous policy. It's my fault that you bore me half to death? That ain't my fault. How the hell I got with the hell if that's the case? Everybody got the disease. But what ain't funny is what the outcome is, because if you got the disease, is it anything we can do for Johnny? Yeah. Put him on drugs. That's right. Now little Johnny learns what? You're social scientist, you understand how this works. He learns to deal with his issues, social and emotional, by doing what? Taking drugs, and where does he end up? Right back in the same cycle, dropping out of school because he feels dumb, he feels like things are wrong, he feels like he can't learn there, he drops out of school. The only images he gets around him to tell him who he should be, what he should do, criminals, monsters, killing black folks, selling crack, selling drugs, ending up in the same situation we call genocide.